Do you want to know how to coupon and get free stuff easily? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and many viewers here on my channel have asked me about the best coupon apps that can help them to get great discounts, or in some cases even free stuff by using them. And therefore I decided to put together this video where I will show you 6 options, the 6 best coupon apps that I have come across during my testing of hundreds of different free ways to make some extra money online. And some of these options will not only give you some great discounts, in some cases even free stuff, they will also in some cases even allow you to earn when you use those options. So today, most coupons that you used to have to use them, actually cut them out in paper and take them to a store. So they are digital today. So it's become super easy to use your phone to get great discounts or free stuff just by clicking a few buttons. There are still some sites that will allow you to actually cut them out or print them out in paper and use them like that. But in most cases, it's just so much more convenient to actually use your phone. And that's why I want to make this video where I show these 6 best coupon apps that I have come across. All of them are free to join and use, and you can use all of them at the same time if you want to get more options. But there are some, of course, limitations in relation to what country you live in and all that. But I will explain that as we go over the 6 options. It's not a prioritized list because which options are the best really does depend on your personal preferences. And just in case you do not know much about what coupons are, then you will also learn a little bit more about it when I talk about the different options. But in general, it is where you can get, it used to be like you had to cut out a coupon, bring it to a store, then you would get a great discount or in some cases even free products. And that's the whole idea that has then now moved into the digital world and into apps that just makes it a lot more convenient. But let's now then go over these 6 options. So the first option I want to talk about is called Honey, and this is an option you can use on different devices, and it also has an extension for Chrome, and it has a lot of different options, and you can use it from more or less all countries. The great thing about having it installed is that it automatically searches for coupons all over the world, and very easily you can then just apply them once you're inside. I also have a full tutorial about that. I will leave a link in the top corner where you can just choose which coupons to get, and you can rate some really great discounts for products like that. And it really works very smoothly, and it also has cashback options where if you end up buying something, then you can also in some cases actually get back some of the money you get. But you just need to be aware that compared to some of the other options you will see later, then if you use that option, then it has some limitations in relation to how you can get your money out. You can't get them out as cash, only choose between different gift cards. So that's something to consider if you're interested in the cashback aspect of it. But for coupons, Honey is definitely one of the sites with the biggest number of members and coupons that I have come across. Next we have Inbox Dollars. This is a get paid to site where you can earn in many different ways. You just need to be aware that it's only available in the US, and you can earn, for example, by taking paid surveys, playing games, doing all kind of things. But they also have a coupon section, and you can see you can actually print them from there and redeem them, and you will not only get great discounts, you can see some examples. For example, you can save sometimes like a certain amount of dollars, a certain percentage in a lot of supermarkets and stores. And not only that, you will actually also earn back into your Inbox Dollars account every time you do that. So you will earn when you will redeem the coupon, not only like get the discount, you will also earn. And then together with the other earning opportunities Inbox Dollar has, then you can then get paid out in PayPal cash or choose between a lot of different gift cards. Next we have My Points, which is a get paid to site with a lot of different ways to earn, but it also has a section where you can find coupons. You can print them and bring them to the store, get great discounts, and then you will also, every time you redeem one, just as the platform Inbox Dollars I just showed you, you will actually earn points into your My Points account. But you can also sometimes find digital coupons, so you do not actually have to print them or things like that, or just use them on your phone, because My Points also has an app, just like Inbox Dollars of course also has. You just need to be aware that My Points is only available in the US and in Canada. But if you use some of the other earning options, then you can also eventually take out your earnings there. The coupons themselves, of course, will give you the discounts when you are using them, but then whatever you use to earn to redeem them, if you combine that with other earning opportunities, then you can take your earnings out in cash via PayPal or choose between a lot of different gift cards in addition to what you already have saved by using these coupons. The next option is called Fetch Rewards. This is an app you can download both for iOS devices and for Android devices. It's only available in the US, but it is an app where you, for example, can scan receipts and earn points with any receipts and redeem points. And it sometimes have these coupon offers also. So definitely also an interesting option if you live in the US. Next we have Swagbucks, which is one of the biggest get paid to sites because it has so many different ways to earn, and you can join it from more or less all countries. And one of the options it offers in some countries is to give you coupons, sometimes for free stuff, sometimes for great discounts. This is also one of the platforms that in some cases, if you redeem the coupons in actual stores, you will earn points into your Swagbucks account at the same time. Just be aware that even though Swagbucks is available in more or less all countries, the coupon option is not available in all countries. I'm not sure exactly how many countries they allow that or offer that option in, but then it offers a lot of other ways to earn, and it also offers cashback options, actually a lot of great cashback options. So when you ever shop online, for example, you also can earn a portion of cashback into your account, and together with all the earning options, then you can easily reach the payout threshold and take out your earnings as cash or gift cards. The last option I want to go over is called iButter. That is an app, a website also you can use if you live in the US to get a lot of different cashback options, and sometimes they then also offer different discount coupons and more options. It works with a lot of different retailers, so if you're interested in cashback options, this is the main reason to earn this. Some of the other options are better for coupons, but coupons and cashback, to combine that is a really great option in my opinion. So if you are looking for coupons to get some great discounts and in some cases even free stuff, then all these 6 options are legit options and they are free to use. I would recommend that you also use some of the other earning options some of the platforms offer, because that just makes it possible not only to get sometimes free stuff or get great discount, but you can actually also earn more. And some of these platforms even allows you to earn when you redeem these coupons, which is definitely great. But if you use some of these different earning options, you can get even more free stuff or even cash paid out via PayPal, for example, because these platforms do offer that. I will leave links below to more information about all these options so you can easily read more and find out which options are for you and easily join the ones that you want to join. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.